Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about TestNG annotations attributes. Different type of annotations in TestNG like description, timeout, enable and group. In this tutorial, we will see these annotations step by step. So let's begin. @test annotation, description is equal to enter the description of the test case here. For example, this is the login test. This is login test case. Public void login. System.out dot println and print something here. Login successful. Let's run this script. Description is used to define for information of the test case. In console, here you can view the information of this test case. This is login test case. Now, we will see the enable attribute in TestNG. Enable is equal to false. If you set the enable value is equal to false, it means this test case will not execute. Suppose you have multiple test cases and you don't want this test case execute in your project. So you can use enable is equal to false. If you set the enable value is equal to true, it means this test case will execute. Here you can view this one test cases have been executed because we set the value enable is equal to true. Login successfully. Now we will see the timeout. Suppose if one of the test cases is taking a long time due to which other test cases are failing. To overcome this situation, you need to mark this test case or fail, avoid the failure of other test cases. @test and here enter time out is equal to 200. Here we add the thread dot select and enter 500 millisecond wait. Add throw declaration. Suppose this test case takes too much time to execute. Due to this test case, maybe other test cases are failed. Add another test case. This is our second test case. And remove this line. Also remove this. Sign up. This is our second test case. Sign up. Let's run this script. In this scenario, this test case will fail because we add thread.select. It will wait for 500 millisecond and our timeout set is 200 millisecond. Due to this test case, maybe this test case failed. To overcome this situation, we add timeout is equal to 200 and other remaining of the test cases will be executed. Now we will see the groups. In TestNG, the group attribute is used to group different test cases that belong to same functionality. Add test case @test public void login system.out.println. This is our first test case. Login. And this is our second test case, which is sign up. Suppose you want to execute these similar test cases, we will use the group. Sign up and add group attribute with @test annotation groups is equal to curly brackets and enter group name here, login, with double quote. Then we need to add this groups attribute in second test case. Groups is equal to curly brackets and enter group name here. After adding the group name, we need to add same here in TestNG.xml. Groups inside the run and add group name which is login. And then close groups. Let's run this script. Here you can view the both of the test cases have been executed. Now we will see the priority. As you know that test cases executed in alphabetical order. This is login and for example this is sign up. This test case will be execute first because in alphabetical order L is first coming and then S. Now we will see the period. Remove group name and enter name here. Method name is login. Priority is equal to suppose you want to execute sign up first. So we will set the priority of the sign up test case is high. Priority is equal to 1. In this scenario, first sign up test case will execute and then second login test case will execute. Let's run this script and see what happened. In console here you can view sign up test case execute first and then execute login test case. If you like this content, please subscribe to SQ World. Thanks for watching.